I'm a strong believer that our perspectives shape our world. But have you ever considered this in the context of medical breakthroughs? In a snow-blanketed Alaskan bar, two men, a devout believer and a staunch atheist, debate the existence of God. The atheist shares a gripping tale. Trapped in a deadly blizzard, he prayed for divine intervention. Miraculously, he was rescued by Eskimos. Here's the twist. The atheist saw no divine hand, just timely human assistance. But the believer saw God's work through those Eskimos. This story can teach us something vital about medical innovation. Just as the atheist and believer interpreted the same event differently, we must embrace diverse perspectives in our field. Whether it's groundbreaking research or patient care, understanding various viewpoints can lead to true innovation. In this new era of medicine, let's remember, sometimes the answer lies in how we choose to see the world.